Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, you commonly ask me a question whether you should appear in computer delivered IELTS or paper delivered IELTS. Which IELTS is better? Very recently, one of my students, Hima Solanki, she has commented, she has sent me this message, and I'm going to read this message for you, and then you can decide whether you need to go for computer delivered IELTS or paper delivered IELTS. Hima Solanki says, I took my computer delivered CD IELTS on 4th October. To be very honest, please opt for paper delivered, paper and pen IELTS, as my speaking was done on computer as well, and I faced a technical glitch while giving my speaking. Two pop-ups appeared on the screen one by one, which were completely useless, and they distracted me and made me perplexed. Two pop-ups were there on screen and she didn't know what's going on here and all that. When I informed my speaking invigilator in between the test, she said, let's not waste our time. So yeah, this completely made me think if it is going to impact my band or not, right? Then Hima Solanki says, nor she was interested in listening to me. The examiner, she interrupted me in each and every question, and I was like, let me speak. Let me answer your question, please. So that was my overall experience, right? So this has happened with Hima Solanki, and I've seen with many other students, they mentioned already problems with their computer delivered IELTS, especially in speaking module, students find problems. Sometimes voice, sometimes, there are certain glitches, right? And at times they have to take your computer delivered twice. One of my students, he had to wait for 3 hours for computer delivered speaking test, right? And then they offered him coffee time and again, and they didn't tell him that you have to wait for 3 hours. They said, okay sir, we start after 15 minutes. Then again they came, you want tea, coffee? We start after 15 minutes. Then again they came. So as a result, he performed badly, poorly, and he got 7 band in speaking, whereas his writing band was 8. So again I tell you, because we Asian people, we people from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, like we find ourselves quite comfortable with paper, pen, paper, pencil at hand and all that, all right? So I think it's a good idea if you are not technology freak, if you're not good at typing, if you're not good at reading on screen, if while listening it's difficult for you to type the answer, drag and drop and all that, then paper delivered IELTS is suitable for you. But if you've got good experience with computer delivered IELTS, please share your experience with me and I'll make another video on that. But anyways, now they are focusing on computer delivered IELTS because it costs them nothing and the fee is almost same. So they are preferring computer delivered IELTS, and future is for computer delivered IELTS. Okay, thank you Solanki, thank you for your message, and I really appreciate that. This will help my other students decide whether they should go for computer delivered IELTS or paper delivered IELTS. All the best guys, thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or in campus IELTS classes, we also offer PTE classes. We have expert team on PTE. We offer that, and we offer test booking service as well. If you want to get your IELTS exam booked in Pakistan, we can help you with that as well. All the best, take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.